To celebrate World Women in Science Day, we're here at Domremy College to find out what a world-class science program looks like in one of our 150 Sydney Catholic schools.
For thousands of years, women have been at the cutting edge of scientific discovery. For example, in both ancient and more recent civilizations, women pioneered herbal and other remedies that laid the foundations for modern pharmaceutical and therapeutic treatments. Today, women are at the forefront of every scientific discipline and initiative there is, and we're keen to meet future stars of science here at Domremy College.
Marae, what do you really love about science?
I love how it explains the world around you. It gives more depth into what happens and why it happens. We're not spoon-fed. They give us a bit of explicit teaching, and then we have to go out and experiment and see what are they actually talking about and see the effects of that.
So we hear a lot about, STEM and young women in particular.
Yeah.
What is it that should really attract, young women to choosing science subjects and really engaging with science, technology, engineering and maths?
I think the stage is really set for women in science and women in STEM. Women have been up against it in getting into science, but the girls, it's about convincing them every single step of the way, and that they can do it, that they are capable, and that with hard work they can achieve, and that when they do achieve, it's not luck, it's due to hard work, it's due to effort.
What do you really love about science?
I think I love the challenge of science, and I feel like the way we're taught STEM, we're being guided, we're not being led. And I feel like the difference between being led is that that's kind of someone's showing you the path and you kind of follow along. Whereas I feel like being guided, we're kind of being shown to the path, but we get to problem solve and we get to make those decisions. And I think just the challenge is really necessary in this world where it's ever changing and we've got to rapidly adapt to things. And I think just that being able to be challenged is a really big thing that I enjoy about science. I think definitely pick a science if you're willing to be challenged and you're willing to go outside the box and just having that mindset, that critical analysis mindset. And I would say go for it. Science is amazing.
It's impossible not to be inspired and maybe even a little bit intimidated by the sheer brilliance and enthusiasm of the students here today at Domremy College.
In Sydney Catholic schools, we celebrate the place of scientific excellence in the learning journey of each and every student, and in particular the many scientific opportunities that await young women in our schools. God bless.